This edition of MacVoices is sponsored by PDF Pen and PDF Pen Pro by Smile, the essential PDF utility. Download free demos and find out more at smilesoftware.com. MacVoices is at CES Unveiled in Las Vegas. I'm Chuck Joyner. We stopped by the Klaxoon booth last year and were very impressed with what they showed us, so we're back again this time. Anne-Lyse is going to tell us what's new. Anne-Lyse, nice to see you.
Nice to see you too, Chuck. I'm very happy.
So for the folks who might not have seen us last year, what is Klaxoon?
Okay, so Klaxoon is a productivity tool that presents a full range of productive apps and tools that enables people to work better, to work more efficiently. So basically, you have a platform on which anybody can connect during meetings, during presentation, during workshops, to make everybody participate and take decisions faster. And this year, we're launching a new product, which is Teamplayer. It's received 2 CES Innovation Awards, so we're very proud of it. So it's really a revolution in the smart work technology.
So that, first of all, it's pretty impressive to get not 1 but 2 awards.
Yes.
But tell us what this brings to the mix and what it adds to what you do.
Okay, so Teamplayer here is a smart portable console that comes with controllers that are smart too, and that allows everybody to express themselves better, to work differently, to work better from any places. So you have the console, which is pocket size that you can bring everywhere, and it goes with smart controllers. On the smart controllers, there are some actionable screens. So the screens are adaptive to everything that happens within your teamwork apps. It could be your favorite apps, it could be Klaxoon interface, and you can receive notification, you can press, you can squeeze, you can rotate, you can really interact with everything that happens within your apps. And something that is very great too is that the smart console is also open to tiers technologies, which means that, for example, if you are a user of Dropbox, you can use the smart console with Dropbox and have all your shortcuts inside. So it's really a revolution in ergonomics.
So why did you decide, is there something special about the controller as opposed to maybe using a phone?
Yes. So nowadays when you're working, for example, from home or even in an office, you only have your screens, your PC, or sometimes your smartphone, and you receive a huge amount of notification that pops up from everywhere. It's very hard to stay focused. It's very hard just to know on which project you have to work. So what we wanted to do with Teamplayer is that to enable people to go faster, to have their own shortcuts, so you can customize everything. You can decide to work today, for example, only on 3 or 2 projects. So you're going to receive notification only on those projects. And at the bottom of a click, you can access those projects. You can check the new ideas that come up. You can answer questions that people ask you on that project. So you go faster. You're not, I'd say, polluted with a full amount of notification. So that is why we call it a revolution in ergonomics, because we bring back the object. We know that with notification, with only smartphone or PCs, the screen is too small. You need more, and you need to be quick. So that's why we wanted to bring this ergonomic revolution inside.
So I think it's interesting that Klaxoon focuses not just on collaboration, but also on focusing on those projects. So you sort of get the best of both worlds.
Exactly. So we're taking the best of the physical world. For example, all those products are very inspired by music, art. You know, in music you have those pianos, electronic pianos, in guitars, in arts. You have everything that you can touch in video games, for example. So we're taking the best of the physical world to put it in collaboration world, to put it in virtual world. So with both of them, you create a really, really engaging, collaborative experience with your team and from everywhere. For example, in the office, you can use Teamplayer with your team. And when you are not in the office, when you go back home, why do you have to work only with your PC? No, with Teamplayer now, you can turn any screen into a collaborative workspace, any screens.
Very interesting. What kind of pricing is there for your different levels?
Okay, so the release is going to be in June 2020, and the price starts at $880.
Okay. Perfect. And the website, of course, is?
The website, www.klaxoon.com. You're going to see much more, because this is only a preview, because we received the 2 CES Innovation Award, but you're going to get to know more about the product very soon. Very soon.
Great. Anne-Lyse, thank you so much for the time and for talking about it.
It was my pleasure. Thank you so much, Chuck.
Take care.
Thank you.
Folks, we'll have more from CES Unveiled in Las Vegas. I'm Chuck Joyner. Thanks for watching. Visit MacVoices.com for show notes and to connect with Chuck on social media. Get involved in our Facebook group or like our Facebook page, and get more out of your Apple tech with MacVoices Magazine, free on Flipboard and on the web. And if you find value in it all, consider supporting us through either our Patreon campaign at patreon.com/MacVoices or by making a one-time donation via the PayPal link on our front page and in the show notes of each episode. You will join these fine people who help bring you MacVoices. Advertising handled by Backbeat Media at backbeatmedia.com. Bandwidth provided by CacheFly at cachefly.com.